You know, I woke up this morning and I just had a random thought, right? I've never had a baguette before. And, well, I want to buy a baguette, basically. And I guess just part of me is just curious of what it's gonna be like, because it's like a piece of bread, but it's like long, you know? Just something I've never had before, so I just made the impulse decision. Let's go to the market today and go buy a baguette. Alright, here we are. This is Central Markets here in Adelaide. Now, just to find a bread stall, I suppose. Ah, perfect. Hello, do you guys have a baguette? Alright, thank you. You too. Alright, I've acquired my baguette. Alright, so I got my baguette. Gosh, look at this thing. It's like a bread scepter. Guess what I'll do? I'll like tear off like a little bit, I guess. I mean, it's a little bit chewy actually. It's got a really nice like sourdough taste, I think. Anyway, I don't know what this video is. I just bought a baguette, I guess. See ya.